I got into the hair industry from a very, very young age. I grew up in a salon setting. My mother is a hairdresser, and from a very young age I've had very fine, flatter hair. Obviously, I've wanted to fix that. I've always been jealous of all the celebrities having perfect hair every day and wondered, why does every celebrity have perfect hair? Well, the reason is because they don't just wear their own hair. And soon after I discovered that, I decided that I wanted to get into that type of hair art. I wanted to start doing hair pieces and extensions and wigs and all sorts of, different add-ons with hair. And I soon discovered that there was a huge gap in the market for hair pieces and extensions because they just really weren't done properly and they really needed to be fixed from a hairdresser's perspective. So the first thing that I wanted to set out to do was just to have a quality product. I wanted, the everyday person, the everyday woman to be able to have hair just like a celebrity, but not have to pay a celebrity price. So it took me about a year to a year and a half to create the product to make it exactly perfect like I wanted it for the customer and for the stylist. The quality of our hair pieces is absolutely unbelievable. All of our hair is Remy European human hair. I found the perfect clips to be able to have damage-free clips for our customers, and they actually have just a little piece that helps to grip your hair so that it can't slide out or pull your hair out at all. European Remy hair is the highest quality hair that you can get, and anyone that's ever touched one of our hair pieces can tell you that it's drastically different than any other hair they've ever felt. You can curl it, you can flat iron it, you can do anything to it, and it still feels absolutely amazing. It's very shiny. They all have the natural body wave in them also so that they hold the curl very well. I absolutely love the hair industry, but my favorite thing in the world is to put a hairpiece on someone that really needs it with thinning hair. I've had so many customers that have had so many different stories of health scares and different autoimmune diseases. Just hearing people's different stories of how much that our brand has helped them it's truly amazing, and it touches me every single time that I hear anyone's story. I'm very involved in my business. I'm in the office pretty much 24/7, me and my husband both. There's not a lot of sleep that goes on during the work week, and that's including the weekends as well, but it's well worth it whenever I see that smile on that customer's face that really needs our hair. We are hoping to franchise all over the United States as well. We really want to have, a location for all of our customers to go to instead of them having to order it off of our website and us ship it to them. The cool part about that is that I don't have to be there for, my hair pieces to touch someone's life, and that's very important to me. I really want to try really hard in the hair industry to kind of change how the hair industry has been for a very long time. Some people frown upon people wearing extensions. I really want it to be, a service that's really easy for customers to be able to get when they go into the salon, that it not damage their hair, and that it's kind of, a standard for women, just like going and getting your hair colored. And so I really want women to just feel like that when they're going out the door that they can just throw it on just like a pair of earrings or a necklace, and it's just a luxury accessory that they can put on and just run out the door and look perfect. I'm just a small town girl from Boiling Springs, South Carolina who decided to go for it, and I just really hope that I can inspire other people around the world to be able to just go for whatever your passion is so that you can help them too, just like we do here at the Lauren Ashtyn Collection.
Hello, I'm Debbie Morgan. I'm from Houston, Texas. And I first met Lauren when she came to an event in February. And at that point in my life, I had lost about 35 pounds. And getting the piece was inspirational in that I looked younger with the piece on, and I got a lot of compliments, so it inspired me to continue with my weight loss journey. I changed my hairstyle and color completely. So I flew here yesterday to Spartanburg to meet with Lauren and get 3 new pieces, because these pieces will change your life. You will feel younger, you will look younger, you will get compliments, and when you feel better, you feel like doing more things, and all I can say is I love Lauren.